G'day, Tim Short from Muddy River here, just down with the AgriMac team at Warrnambool, starting up a HORSCH 616 SD air seeder. This machine's got a 5,000 litre bin on it. We're running ryegrass in the front, putting it out at 20 kgs a hectare. And we've got fertiliser in the rear running at 80 kgs a hectare. As I said, it's a 6 metre machine. It's a very compact machine. It's in a real nice seed placement at 160 mil, as you can see here. So if you need any more information on any of the HORSCH products or would like to come and see this machine work, talk to the team at AgriMac in Warrnambool, Ballarat or St Arnaud.
Yeah, the versatility of the machine is the reason why we're really impressed with it. We can do lots of different things quite quickly and quite easily.